Welcome to our channel. Today we how to fix tax liabilities with TD Ameritrade, detailed guide step by step clearly. Open your web browser and navigate to the TD Ameritrade website. Log into your account using your username and password. Once logged in, locate the Accounts tab in the main menu. Click on Tax Center from the drop-down options. In the Tax Center, you'll find resources and documents that may assist you with tax liabilities. Review your transaction history for the tax year in question. Identify any realized gains or losses that may impact your tax situation. Download your tax documents, including the 1099 forms, for your records. If you need clarification, click on the Help section located in the Tax Center. Utilize the tax guides and FAQs provided for additional context on tax implications. Consider consulting with a tax professional if your tax situation is complex. If you find discrepancies in your account, contact TD Ameritrade's customer service immediately. Gather all necessary documentation to address any issues with your tax liability. Submit a request for corrections through the TD Ameritrade platform if required. Keep track of any updates or correspondence regarding your tax inquiries. Finalizing your tax situation may involve filling out additional IRS forms. Ensure all your forms are completed accurately before submission. Monitor the status of your tax return and any potential refunds. Remember to review your tax situation annually to prevent future issues. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.